I launched 100 AI YouTube channels. 2025 results will shock you. Have you ever scrolled through YouTube and felt like something was off? Like the creators weren't real people but polished avatars spitting out content? Well, you're not wrong. I spent the last 6 months testing the limits of AI on YouTube. I built a system, an entire process actually, that launched and ran 100 channels, start to finish, using almost entirely artificial intelligence. The results were surprising to say the least. 87 of those channels? Total flops. Barely a whimper. But the remaining 13, they raked in a combined $38,000 in profit. And that's just the beginning. This isn't about chasing get-rich-quick schemes. This is about understanding the future of content creation, a future that's already here. So if you're ready to see what really works on YouTube in 2025, buckle up. Let's get one thing straight. The days of the faceless cash cow channel are over. You know the ones, endless meditation music, copyright-free nature footage, that kind of thing. Those niches are saturated, demonetized, and frankly boring. In 2025, it's about niche, engagement, and a sprinkle of AI magic. My experiment revealed 3 dominant channel archetypes that are absolutely crushing it right now. And they all share one thing in common, a powerful combination of 2 AI tools. First, we have content generation. This is where AI flexes its muscles, creating everything from video scripts and voiceovers to entire animated explainer videos. But here's the key. It's not just about churning out content, it's about crafting compelling narratives that resonate with a specific audience. That's where the second tool comes in. Audience insight. Forget expensive analytics dashboards. We're talking next-level AI that analyzes trends, predicts virality, and even helps you reverse engineer the success of your competitors. This is about understanding what your audience craves before they even know they want it. Now let's dive into the 3 channel types that are leveraging this AI power couple to dominate YouTube in 2025. This one surprised me. Remember that whole everything old is new again thing? Turns out it applies to YouTube too. My data showed that channels focusing on pre-industrial history, crafts, and skills saw, on average, 3 times the revenue per 1,000 views compared to more modern niches. Why? Authenticity. In a world saturated with digital noise, people crave something real, something tangible. Think blacksmithing, hand-stitched clothing, traditional woodworking, content that feels like a lost art form. And the best part? You don't need to be a master craftsperson to tap into this goldmine. AI can generate incredibly realistic videos of these processes, complete with historically accurate visuals, and even the sounds of a blacksmith's hammer or a spinning wheel. The key is in the details. Don't just show the finished product, focus on the process, the imperfections, the human element. Think about it. Would you rather watch a perfectly edited, hyper-realistic CGI animation of a chair being built, or a slightly shaky handheld video of a real person struggling, sweating, and ultimately succeeding in crafting something beautiful with their own 2 hands? That's the power of the antique niche. It's about tapping into a longing for a simpler time, for genuine connection, and for content that feels like a breath of fresh air in a digital world. Here's where things get really interesting. We're diving into a realm where the lines between reality and digital personas blur. Remember those fake channels I mentioned earlier? The ones that seemed too good to be true? Turns out, viewers are catching on. They're becoming more discerning, more aware of the content they consume. But here's the plot twist. They don't seem to care. In fact, they're embracing it. In fact, my data shows that channels using AI-generated hosts are seeing conversion rates as high as 11%. That's almost double the average for traditional channels. This is a significant leap in engagement. We're talking hyper-realistic avatars created using tools like DID, avatars so lifelike they can easily be mistaken for real people. Brought to life with incredibly nuanced voices from platforms like 11 Labs. These voices can convey a range of emotions and tones, making the experience even more immersive. These AI hosts can be customized down to the last detail, ensuring they perfectly match the brand's identity and message, from their appearance and mannerisms to their vocal tone and accent. This level of customization allows for a highly personalized viewer experience. But it's not just about the tech, it's about the persona. The AI hosts are designed to connect with audiences on a deeper level. These AI hosts are carefully crafted to embody specific archetypes that resonate with their target audience. They are more than just digital faces. They are characters with depth and relatability. Need a trustworthy expert for your financial advice channel? Boom! The AI can be programmed to exude confidence and reliability. How about a relatable best friend for your beauty and fashion content? Done. The AI can be designed to be friendly, approachable, and engaging. The key here is transparency. Audiences appreciate honesty and authenticity. Don't try to trick your audience into thinking your AI host is a real person. Be upfront about it, but frame it as a positive. Highlight the benefits of having an AI host. Emphasize the consistency, the 24/7 availability, and the fact that your AI host is constantly learning and evolving to deliver the best possible content. This is a game changer for content creators. And the fact that your AI host is constantly learning and evolving to deliver the best possible content. This adaptability ensures that the content remains fresh and relevant. This is the future of online personality, a future where digital and human elements coexist seamlessly. It's about creating a connection that transcends the physical, a connection that feels real and meaningful, a connection built on shared interests, consistent value, and the undeniable appeal of a digital being that never sleeps, never gets tired, and is always there to entertain, educate, and engage. This is the new frontier of digital interaction. Welcome to the future of AI-hosted channels. Check 1, check. Chapter 4, Blueprint Number 3, the Unboxing Loophole. Now for the channel type that raked in the big bucks, AI-powered unboxing channels. You heard that right. These channels have taken the internet by storm, captivating audiences with their innovative approach to product reviews. No inventory, no shipping, no physical products whatsoever. This means you can focus entirely on content creation without the logistical headaches that come with traditional e-commerce. I managed to generate over $9,200 in a single month reviewing products that only existed in the digital realm. How? AI, of course. This technology has revolutionized the way we think about product reviews and unboxing videos. Using a combination of three-dimensional modeling software and AI-powered video generation, I was able to create incredibly realistic unboxing videos of everything from futuristic gadgets and cutting-edge tech to bespoke fashion items and luxury goods. The level of detail and realism is astonishing, making viewers feel like they are experiencing the unboxing firsthand. The key here is tapping into the vicarious thrill of unboxing. This emotional connection keeps viewers coming back for more, eager to see what exciting product will be unboxed next. People love watching others open packages, especially if those packages contain something desirable, something aspirational. This phenomenon taps into a deep-seated curiosity and desire for new and exciting products. By focusing on products that don't actually exist, you tap into a limitless well of content possibilities. The creative freedom is unparalleled, allowing you to explore concepts and designs that would be impossible in the physical world. Imagine unboxing a holographic smartphone that projects three-dimensional images, or a self-folding dress that adapts to your body temperature. These imaginative products captivate audiences and keep them engaged. The possibilities are literally endless. With AI, you can push the boundaries of creativity and innovation, offering viewers a glimpse into a futuristic world. And because these products don't exist, you don't have to worry about sourcing them, storing them, or dealing with the hassle of returns. This eliminates a significant amount of overhead and logistical challenges. But here's the real kicker: you can still monetize these videos. The potential for revenue generation is immense, thanks to various monetization strategies. Affiliate marketing is your best friend here. By promoting real-world products that are similar to the ones you're unboxing, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your links. Find real-world products that are similar to the ones you're unboxing and link to them in your video description. This not only provides value to your viewers, but also creates a steady stream of income for you. You can even partner with companies to create custom products based on your AI-generated designs. This opens up new avenues for collaboration and revenue. The unboxing loophole is a perfect example of how AI is blurring the lines between the digital and physical worlds, creating new opportunities for content creation and monetization that were simply unimaginable just a few years ago. The future of unboxing is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Chapter 5. Want to build your own AI empire? So, are you ready to launch your own AI-powered YouTube channel? I've put together a comprehensive kit that includes all the tools, templates, and resources you need to get started. This isn't just some generic guide, it's the exact system I used to generate $38,000 from 13 successful AI channels. You'll get access to my curated list of AI tools for content creation, audience insight, and even monetization. I'm also including proven script templates, channel blueprints, and even a breakdown of the most profitable niches in 2025. But here's the best part. Comment chain below, and I'll send you my personal profit spreadsheet. You'll see exactly how much each of my channels earned, broken down by month, video, and even revenue source. This is the kind of transparency you won't find anywhere else. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI. Don't get left behind. Grab my kit, join the AI revolution, and let's build something extraordinary together. Chapter 6, The Future of Content is Human. Now you might be thinking, okay, but where do fit into all of this? Am I even needed in this AI-driven future? And the answer is a resounding yes. More than ever, actually. See, AI is a tool. It's incredibly powerful, yes, but it's still just a tool. What separates a good YouTube channel from a great one is the human element. It's your unique perspective, your creativity, your ability to connect with your audience on an emotional level. AI can help you produce content, but it can't replicate the spark of human ingenuity. It can't understand the nuances of humor, empathy, or storytelling the way we can. Those are the qualities that will always set us apart, that will always draw people in. Think of it this way, AI is the paintbrush, but you are the artist. It can provide you with the tools and resources to create something beautiful, but the vision, the message, the heart, that all comes from you. So, as you embark on your AI-powered YouTube journey, remember this, don't be afraid to experiment, to push boundaries, to let your humanity shine through. The most successful creators of tomorrow will be those who embrace the power of AI while staying true to their authentic selves. Remember, it's not just about the content you create, but the connections you build. Your audience craves authenticity, and that's something AI can never fully replicate. So, use AI to enhance your creativity, to streamline your processes, but never lose sight of the human touch that makes your content truly special. The future of content is human because it's our stories, our emotions, and our experiences that resonate the most. Embrace the technology, but let your humanity lead the way. That's the true future of content creation. Outro, what will you create? We're at a turning point. The tools are available to everyone and the possibilities are truly limitless. But here's the thing about tools. They're only as good as the person wielding them. This isn't just about YouTube. It's about the power we now have to share our stories, our passions, our unique perspectives with the world. It's about using these incredible advancements in technology to connect with one another on a deeper level. So, what will you create?